Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Starin Tech Minute. I'm Joel Brazy. We're going to talk about a new line that we just brought on, Salamander Designs, a really great furniture, premier AV furniture manufacturer based in the US that does excellent fit and finish and even custom work. They're ADA compliant motorized wall mounts, as well as motorized carts and ADA compliant conference tables. It's a great company. They've been in home theater for decades and they came into commercial a while ago. It's really an excellent company. I suggest that you check out. So we'll take a look a little deeper into them. Really, why is Salamander such a big difference? We've all, as AV integrators, dealt with lead times on furniture manufacturers and difficulty on the installation and the cable routing. This furniture is made by people who are in our industry rather than dealing with other solutions like Steelcase or Hayworth or some of the major furniture manufacturers. These folks are AV people making AV furniture. They're ADA compliant, which is really important. They have the lead times are definitely not as long as we've seen with furniture companies. Their factory is even solar powered and they can do match finishes. So if your folks are looking for something of a certain finish that they already have some existing furniture, they're able to do that. They also have configurators on their website. You take a look at how they basically set up their sections. On the left, you see in the left two small breakouts and medium huddles, you see that really great Steelcase competitive design. And I can tell you personally from the cable troughs that exist inside of those Steelcase Mediascapes, this is a much better system. They also handle larger displays, up to 90-inch displays, which nobody does. Then you look at the larger systems, you have the motorized carts all the way on the right in the open spaces, and in the large meeting spaces, you have dual displays with a 12-inch deep credenza that is ADA and OSHA compliant. On the carts, you have multiple ways of ordering these carts with electric lift and tilt that will allow you to tilt it flat. So if you're doing a touch display, you now have the ability to use it as a touch table. And then really the first time that I've seen it, a really quality motorized wall mount display. And one of the cool things is it just goes in with standard toggle bolts. You don't need to reinforce the wall to make this work. That's a huge cost savings for your clients who typically have to do a lot of wall reinforcement to support especially larger displays and other types of mounting. This one, actually, the weight is on the floor and not on the wall. You look at the people that are using their products, it's really a who's who of major companies in the United States. And look at their partnerships. Microsoft, Logitech, the Zoom Room partnership. They have some excellent partnerships. LG. It's really quite a story with Salamander Designs. And you go to salamandercommercial.com and you can learn more. And another cool thing that we're doing, we're building a builder on our website that should be available by the end of this week at the link below. And we're also doing these great bundles with Barco, Jabra, Salamander, and LG that are really Starin bundles built especially for you. So give us a call if you have any questions. Take a look at the website. We're just bringing on this line, so not all of the pricing is loaded into our portal, but we're happy to quote you and get you set up with it. That's the overview for today. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you next week. Take care.